partnered up with the company Keratin for this first step. They are a relatively new company that came on stream in 2015, and since then they have been growing exponentially, and primarily from the reviews of other people who have been achieving results from the use of their products. I personally have been using them for about the last 4 months, and I've seen like changes. Like my hair was really bad, and now I've seen where there have been like positive changes in terms of the overall health of my hair. So when they approached me for a partnership, I was like, yes. So if you're anything like me, with hair anything like mine, and you're about to embark on a journey such as this, well, hopefully you'll be able to learn something from this video. So join me now. So to get through this first step, I'm going to be using 2 products from the Keratin hair line. The first product that I'm going to be using to do my deep conditioning will be the Kerotin Renewal Hair Mask with aloe, rosemary extract, and keratin protein. There are no parabens in this or sodium chloride. It's color and straightener safe, and there's even a UV protectant. So that's what it looks like. Let's see. Ooh. You can really smell that rosemary. Sounds good. This is a judgment-free zone. You are not allowed to judge me for my hair condition right now. I have acknowledged that there is an issue and I'm working on it. Okay, that's step 1. So, here goes. Now, we all know when it's cap season or head wrap season, what's going on underneath. So, let's take a look. Oh my gosh. Wow. So, I've been experimenting with some hair wax, and you know, nothing short of laziness. I have just chopped it into 2 braids and left it to marinate. I would want to use the term marinate for a little bit, for a couple of days. So I'm gonna take down my hair and then take a look at what's going on under there. Alright, so taking these babies down. You can hear the dryness. So moisture retention was definitely an issue that I was having before I started using Keratin's products. I have seen some improvements in like my hair's ability to retain moisture, and if you have low porosity hair like I do, then you know how challenging that is. So you know, I really want to improve on that, and of course 3-4 days without moisturizing your hair is not helping. So we're trying to, you know, go on a new path here. All right. So this is what I'm working with. This is my texture right now. You can see that they are, you know, I'm definitely battling some split ends here. And aside from the dryness, you know, ooh, curl. Just need to figure out what's going on, and the best place to start is with clean hair. So I'm gonna hop into the shower right now, start with my cleansing process, and then when I get back, I'll show you how I apply the deep conditioner and then I'm going to add some additional heat with a heated gel cap. So I'm back with freshly washed hair. My hair feels 100% better right now. It's so soft. I have already detangled it and wrapped it up in this microfiber towel. So I'm gonna go ahead and begin the process of the deep condition by taking it down, sectioning it off into parts, and combing through as I go along. So let's do this together, yeah? So this is my hair, freshly washed with no product whatsoever. All I did was wrapped it in a microfiber towel to remove the excess moisture. There's no product in it, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the deep conditioning. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I just did a quick 5-minute style to get me out the door and where I need to be. Thank you guys for coming with me throughout this process to really help me to understand where my healthy hair ended and where the damaged hair began, so that I could really start to design the shape of the cut that I wanted and just ensure that I got something that met my needs but also allowed me to retain some length. I wanted to also add one final tip as I embark on this new hair journey, and that is vitamins. Vitamins, vitamins, vitamins. They really help to grow your hair from the inside out. So if you have not started taking vitamins before, here's a great option with Keratin. Their vitamins will transform your hair in as little as 4 weeks of daily use. And throughout those 4 weeks, what these vitamins guarantee is that your scalp will be stimulated, your hair follicles will be stimulated, and it will promote hair growth. So if you're looking for vitamins, or if you have not started, now is a good time to start, and here is a good option. There'll be a link in the description box below if it is that you guys want more information on the Keratin line and what the full line of products are, as well as specific links to the products that I used today to get this look. Thanks again for joining me throughout this video and for helping me to be brave enough to take that journey to that haircut. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.